Nothing is set to introduce something remarkable with the launch of its much-anticipated Phone 3 series. The lineup will consist of two models, the standard Nothing Phone 3 and the enhanced Nothing Phone 3 Plus. This marks a significant milestone for the brand, which hasn't launched any flagship devices in 2024. Instead, Nothing has focused on perfecting the Phone 3 series. Starting with the base model, the Phone 3 will be powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset. Benchmark tests confirm its capabilities with a single-core score of 1,149 and a multi-core score of 2,813, indicating efficient and responsive performance. Additionally, the Phone 3 will run on Android 15, complemented by the brand's latest Nothing OS 3.0. While the standard Phone 3 focuses on balance and efficiency, there is growing speculation surrounding the Nothing Phone 3 Plus. Recent industry rumors suggest it may feature the Snapdragon 8S Elite chipset, a scaled-down yet powerful variant of Qualcomm's flagship processors. However, the potential inclusion of the Snapdragon 8S Elite in the Phone 3 Plus could signify a shift in strategy, allowing the company to deliver flagship-level performance at an accessible price. Although nothing has officially confirmed this information, if accurate, it could disrupt the premium smartphone market, making high-performance technology more affordable. Adding to the excitement, the Nothing Phone 3 series is rumored to feature a dedicated action button, a concept inspired by Apple's devices. Positioned for easy one-handed use, this button could serve as a versatile tool, potentially doubling as a camera shortcut or offering other customizable functionalities. This small yet thoughtful addition aims to enhance user convenience and navigation. The Nothing Phone 3 is likely to feature a dual-camera setup, potentially integrating Sony's Litia sensor or a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor, with phase detection autofocus and optical image stabilization. Storage options may range from 128 GB to 512 GB, maintaining affordability while teasing the possibility of advanced configurations. Its transparent back design, refined glyph interface, and customizable LED notifications will uphold its distinctive aesthetic. On the hardware side, it is rumored that the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset will be paired with 8 GB or 12 GB RAM, ensuring efficient performance. A battery upgrade to 5,000 mAh with faster charging capabilities is anticipated. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to feature a 6.5-inch screen, while the Phone 3 Plus could boast a larger 6.7-inch display, providing a more immersive viewing experience. When it comes to availability, this upcoming flagship device is expected to launch in March 2025, with prices starting at $499 for the standard Phone 3 and $699 for the Phone 3 Plus. What features of the Nothing Phone 3 series excite you the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more updates.